What number is it?
Grandma boom room. Bathroom. Decent ceiling size. This is a closet. This is another closet. These are curved stairs. Awesome. It comes with birds. This would be Anaya's room. Bathroom for the kids. The boys' room. Isaiah's room. Dang birds.
Where were you taking?
It's the master bedroom. Master bath. Oh yeah, son. Oh, son. Oh, son. Look at this closet, though. Oh, son. Y'all know nothing about this, cuz. Y'all know nothing about this, cuz. Two sides. Your side, south to south side of the bed. View from the bridge. There's a bridge here. I ain't going by them birds. Birds carry diseases. So down here.
We can have our reception here and we come down about what?
Right. South to south side of the bed.
Oh, how'd you get a net? He gonna ask me to bring a net. He just come in the door with a net.
This is the kitchen. Bench. Let's go to the backyard. It's the backyard. It's hot out here. It is hot out here, but it's big out here. There's a park over there. Yeah. 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 Long. Yeah. Big. South to south side of the bed. Ooh, and then there's this window thingy right here. I think that's tight. And I think that this is tight because he's trying to get this bird. Because I think you could put a theater thing right there. Oh, there's the bed. I'm out of here.
When you get that,
So,
you ain't shit.
Scoop, am I not shit, Scoop? Tell me I'm
Bring it, pick it up.
I ain't touching that bird. Birds carry diseases.
session word.
Oh, it's a baby. He's trying to breathe. Look what you did to him. My phone.
I didn't hit your phone. I just did one.
Oh my